AssistiveTouch can do a variety of things faster and with better control. But do you know that you can launch your favorite Siri shortcut using the AssistiveTouch on your iPhone or iPad? Having used this neat feature, I must say that it works like a charm. So, if you are willing to unlock this super handy feature, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to choose Accessibility, and under Physical and Motor section, choose the Touch option. Then you have to select Assistive Touch, and then you have to ensure that the toggle for Assistive Touch is enabled. And under the Custom Action section, tap on Single Tap option. Then you have to scroll down to find your favorite Siri shortcut and choose it, and that's pretty much it. Going forward, you can launch this Siri shortcut by just tapping once on the Assistive Touch menu. Just like this. Super cool, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.